I wonder what it is.
It's a BB gun, I bet.
That's what I just said.
Oh, you're so lucky. I know what I'm feeling.
Tyus, I knew it was a BB gun. Tyus, I knew it was a BB gun.
Is that a violin?
What is that? That's the gun.
Airsoft gun.
What? Oh, who's bringing airsoft gun? I want that so bad.
Oh my goodness.
That looks way too real.
It's got the orange tip on it.
I don't trust you with that.
Yeah, the creepy It's the address.
Look at the address.
I know what it is.
Read the address. You can figure out.
Oh!
Maybe someone's gonna steal that.
Maybe. Give it to your girlfriend.
He doesn't got one.
Here's tragedizing. Let's see if it works out for him. So Squishmallow has been stolen twice. BB gun got stolen once. No, it's dead. Brody got the gun. I'm scared. Was Kaylee 20? Wait. Kaylee, good move. Gun's been stolen twice. Parker's up.
Keep that, Waylon. Actually, I kind of.
Look at these three. They're in a huddle. Oh, yeah, Kaylee? Keaton, I'll admit that took longer than I thought it would. Is that dead? Really? That's the first steal. What flavor is it? Sea salt flavor, yeah. A lot of guns. It's like we're in Idaho or something. What flavor is that one, Lens?
What flavor? Remember, we have a teddy bear over here too.
There's another giant bear over there.
Cassidy, you can see the list. It's over here. Some people hide their gifts so you can't see it. You'll only get the
Alyssa went for the small one. Usually those are worth more. Usually. Ooh.
charger.
He's on a mission. Yeah, they're making deals. Be wise. What is, oh, there's tragedizing.
Don't make deals with them.
Oh, poor Bella. Is that dead? No, that's two. Ooh, money. Money. Oh, never mind.
I want it. I want it. Put it down in my bedroom. I want it.
What's Minkin doing? Snacks.
Hey, you got the snacks. All right, Rylan, let's go.
Rylan's got it. She is on a mission. Where's she going? The hoodie. Way to go, Rylan. Look at Nolan's biceps, dude. Hey, Zach is dead.
Yes! Zach is not dead.
For us, so that we don't have to pay that debt. So I want to encourage you guys, whenever you think of Christmas, the whole world sometimes knows that it's something about Jesus, and it says Emmanuel with us. And this was foretold 700 years before Jesus even arrived on this earth. 700 years it was foretold in this Bible. And it told that he would literally...
Oh, nice.
We got a blanket with candy.
Almond Joys. Cough drops.
It's really stuck in there.
Zach, what are you
Was that?
Okay, she got Jolly Ranchers. Oh, I love Jolly Ranchers. She got a blanket, and then she's getting something else because she got the last.